Wow, Corey Fagans has sent me a can of Bush's baked beans. This company, with their secret family recipe, supply 80% of the United States baked bean market. Let's roll that beautiful bean footage. Ooh. Well, there you go, guys, all the way from Tennessee to Australia. The smell is pretty good. I'm liking what I'm smelling. What about what I taste? Evidently, this is a specially cured bacon. And also brown sugar, and of course a secret recipe of specially blended spices. Tastes very good. Evidently we have here low fat, zero cholesterol, but high sodium. I like my baked beans with some toast. I even put the baked beans on the toast. Yeah. I'm thinking that this is a little bit similar to our Heinz baked beans that we have here in Australia. It's certainly something like that. Yep, I'm really enjoying this. Ooh. Well, you can certainly see why these have satisfied so much of the American market. They are really good, and that's what I'm going to call them. These are really good. So thanks very much, Corey, for sending me actually 2 cans. I've got another one still to go. It's been a pleasure to do this particular taste test. Okay, guys, I'll see you again soon. Bye. Now I'm angry. Wow. That sauce is fiery. First up in this taste test, I can tell you that McDonald's...